In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an email series in Brevo. We'll start by getting signed in. Head to the Brevo login page and choose Sign In with Google. Pick the Google account that's linked to your Brevo workspace and complete any prompts you see. If you manage multiple brands or workspaces, take a second to confirm you're in the right one so your automation lands in the correct account. Once you're in the dashboard, go to Automations. Select Create an Automation and then choose Create from Scratch. This gives you full control over the workflow. Brevo may ask you to name the workflow. Use a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can recognize it later. Next, set the trigger that starts the automation. For this walkthrough, choose Form Submitted. Triggers are the conditions that enroll a contact into your workflow, and using a form submission is a great way to kick off a series right after someone opts in. When prompted, select the specific form you've created for this purpose. Matching the correct form here ensures only the right subscribers enter the workflow. With the trigger in place, add the first action. Choose Send an Email. Think of this as the welcome or first message in your series. You can always expand this foundation into a multi-email sequence later, but we'll focus on getting the initial message set up correctly. Now decide whether to use a template or start from scratch. Templates can save time and keep your branding consistent, while starting from scratch lets you design every element. Either way, open the editor to tailor your content. Edit your subject line first. Keep it clear, benefit-focused, and aligned with what the subscriber requested when they filled out your form. Avoid spammy wording and excessive punctuation. If available, consider using personalization tokens to make it feel more relevant. Then edit the preview text. This short line appears next to the subject in most inboxes and can dramatically improve open rates. Use it to reinforce the value of the email or set an expectation for what's inside. When you're happy with the content, click Save. Saving frequently prevents you from losing work and locks in your settings. Finally, decide how you want to roll this out. You can run a test to confirm the email looks right across devices and that the trigger behaves as expected, or you can activate the automation to start enrolling real subscribers. Testing first is a smart safety check. When everything looks good, activate the workflow and you're done. You've set the foundation for your Brevo email series and are ready to build from here.